So think of a golf course community, a golf course country club. But instead of fairways, put in asphalt. Instead of golfing equipment, put in high performance cars. Where it's really fun is when you can go let that baby off a leash for as fast as you can handle it on a circuit that is controlled and built to an international safety specification.
Run your day with RUNDAY.AI.
All right. Good afternoon, Jonathan. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me on, Tim.
Pleasure to have you here on the Runday podcast. So why don't you tell us the name of your business and what you do?
The name of the business is Circuit Privé. We're building a motorsports country club about an hour west of St. Louis, Missouri.
Gotcha. And how did you guys get started?
Well, I used to race. I raced for about 15 years, and a bunch of my buddies got together and they said, we're thinking about buying a piece of property and building a racetrack. And I got involved with them, and they needed help raising money, basically. And so I helped them raise money. And when we did get it funded and we got it built, it's called Oregon Raceway Park, and I'm one of the owners. Been in business since 2009. One of the products that I launched was a motorsports country club to be embedded inside of that business. And that led to a bunch of serendipitous things happening to me in my career. And I ended up consulting into the motorsports country club business for about 15 years. And along this path, about 3 or 4 years ago, I came in contact with Dan Gunther. And Dan is the founder of Circuit Privé. And he said he wanted to build a circuit, and we started chatting, and I helped him put together the business plan and do the market analysis and talk to him about product definition and site selection. And we've put together just an amazing package and an amazing group of people to pull it off.
That's awesome. Yeah. Who did you race for?
I was amateur racing, but I did get a chance to do some work for some professional teams. I was able to work for Dempsey for a little while, and a group called Bullet Racing out of Canada. Did some spotting for them at the Daytona, the 24 hours of Rolex down there.
Sounds exciting. And this new track, is it currently being built or has it already been built?
No, we're actually still in fundraising, but we control the property and we have all our zoning, and we've got a track design, and we've got a master plan community designed. So think of a golf course community, a golf course country club, but instead of fairways, put in asphalt. Instead of golfing equipment, put in high performance cars. And what's fueling this market space right now is, in fact, the sport driving boom. Think about it, Tim. There is a wide variety of cars that you can go buy today on the showroom floor that have 3, 4, 5, 600 horsepower and up. And using that on a public road is dangerous and risky because they might take away your license. Where it's really fun is when you can go let that baby off a leash for as fast as you can handle it on a circuit that is controlled and built to an international safety specification. And that's what we do. We allow access to the circuit. We provide garages. We provide short stay facilities for people if they want to spend the night. And we provide food service, locker rooms, pro shop, place to get your car serviced. It's a country club model. That's what it is, Tim.
Right. Wow. So from A to Z, you have it all, right? Awesome. So are you guys currently using any sort of AI in your business?
Absolutely. AI has been mission critical in our ability to do parsing of the market space and our ability to do some of the site selection pieces, to do market analysis, who's involved in these clubs, those kinds of things.
Right. And do you plan to use any other AI tools in the future to create more leverage or generate more revenue or anything like that?
100%. So the software packages that we are looking to have installed all offer an AI component for being able to do customer service management. We are very focused on the customer. In fact, our tagline is that the customer experience is the product. And today, being able to map what somebody's preferences are and be able to manage that data to deliver the service is what's mission critical in our business today.
Gotcha. So basically, you're going to facilitate the customer service process so that way no one falls through the cracks. And basically, you're going to go super high powered with the customer service aspect of AI.
Yes, that is correct.
Awesome. And are you currently, looking at any specific tools? I don't know if you want to give any shout outs right now or if that's under an NDA or something like that. But we're always interested in learning, what's big in the AI space right now.
Track Hero.
Track Hero? Gotcha. I mean, it sounds like it's perfect for your track, right? So but I'm assuming.
That's what it was designed to do, was to manage clubs.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. So but it also could be like normal country clubs or something like that. It's not
No, it's
specifically
very
for.
specific. It is a very specific tool. It's like a scalpel for motorsports country clubs.
Wow.
Yeah, the product, although the analogy is to a golf club, it really has very specific requirements for us to be able to make sure that our customers are serviced appropriately. Just think about the difference. So if you call for a tee time, they're waiting for you to show up and you unload your bag and you put it on a golf cart and off you go. When they call us for a track time, they expect to show up and have their car prepped and ready on the grid. And that means fueled, oil checked, the wheels are torqued and the tires are up to the appropriate PSI within the inflation.
Right. So basically, you want everything to go right as soon as that person shows up. No friction, just
Correct.
straight to the service. And Track Hero helps you do
Correct.
that. Great.
Yeah.
So
And then the app will then be able to say, okay, when you come, Mr. Customer, do you want to have A, B, or C at lunch? And of course, on the back end, we already know that they like to drink Diet Coke instead of a water or Perrier or whatever it is. We will already know that. And so our goal obviously is to have them sit down and they got their Diet Coke waiting for them.
right. Wow. So yeah, I mean, you can really pinpoint the finer things that make a club successful and whatnot, and
And
easy to keep track
AI
of.
is important for that. AI is absolutely mission critical for that, because if you think about everybody's an individual, so you have to customize that across a broad spectrum of people who are participating in your sport.
Right. Wow. And if you don't mind me asking, how has the fundraising journey been so far?
Well, fundraising is a very interesting process because as an entrepreneur, you have to be ready for disappointment. It's going to take you longer than you think it's going to take you. And you're going to meet some really fantastic people along the way. And we've been very fortunate in the sense that we have been able to raise enough money to get our preliminary engineering work done. We've got the master plan complete. We have got a track design that is ready for grading, and we control the land as well as having the zoning. The parts that we are trying to get funded now is the completion of what's called pursuit capital or non-recurring engineering. And those are things like your water runoff for stormwater, your power grid layout, your soil samples. So your construction team is going to be able to do a proper job of estimating how much it's going to cost to actually put the track in. So our product is amazing. And we've designed a circuit that's going to be 3 miles long. It has 2 cutover roads. But what's unusual about it is it's designed to run in both directions. So our customers are going to have 12 different track configurations. That level of customer engagement is unprecedented in our industry. Consider an 18-hole golf course, but if you can play it the other way, it's a 36-hole golf course. And it doesn't play the same way at all. So
right.
there's your analogy. If you follow me. Anyway, go ahead.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's great. Awesome. Why don't you tell people again where they name of your business and where they can find you if they would like some more information?
Sure. Jonathan Clark, Circuit Privé, and that's circuitprivé.net. And then my name is Jonathan at circuitprivé.net, and that'll get you my email.
Awesome.
And Privé is
All right.
Priv.
Great. All right. Thank you for coming on the podcast.
Sam, I greatly appreciate you guys having me, and y'all be well.
You too.
Thank you.
Run your day with Runday.AI.